Alright guys, a little unexpected. Welcome back, another episode, Drip My Whip. I'm not wearing the drip right now, but we head into a surprise little get together. Some sliding might be going down, so we'll see when we pull up there. Alright, sorry for the audio if there's a lot of wind, just pulled up. It's just a little meet. Just chilling. It's a beautiful SS. This M3, y'all check out the seat, bro. That's crazy fast. Well, the cops came. Yeah, they just tried to get us to go out. Alright, we had to switch whips for a second. It's getting cold, I had to go back and get a hoodie. But we are heading to the next spot. And hopefully there'll be a little bit better of a turnout. Because I did have fun over there, but there wasn't too much going on. So we'll see if we can get a better turnout now that the lights are going, you know, the sun's going down. I said the lights are going down. The lights are going down. We riding out. Alright, little squad pull up. Check it out. Nice little space. I think we're gonna get some good sliding in tonight. It's looking good. I'm mad though because I don't got my car, so I'm kind of just being the film guy, which sucks because I really want to be out here sliding, bro. I need my Z. How many exits are there? Two exits? Not you, bro. I'm not looking at you. My camera's always down, bro. I don't record faces. All my shit's like that.
Record slow face though.
Alright, you want? Go ahead.
Just slow.
What's your social?
No, just don't put the fingers aside.
Social and driver's license, please. Waited some time now, you know, doesn't seem like any cops are coming, so we are about to hit it up. Got our first car coming up in just a second. Alright, well, he's on live right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it. Yo, it's been a major good night tonight. Got a lot of cool stuff that came out. So shout out to every single one of y'all in this group.
Watch this, I'm about to swing it again.
I didn't know a Corolla could swing. Anyway, like I was saying, yo, thank y'all for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I like filming it. If y'all like more of this and want some more content, make sure to subscribe to Drip My Whip. Until then, I'll see y'all on the next time.